Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This week in class we've been talking about work and money making schemes and that kind of thing. And one of my students was explaining how she ended up working for herself. She basically said that she had been working for a private language school, but started to find the work very monotonous and the money wasn't great. So a few years ago, she packed it in and decided to seek pastures new. Pastures new basically means new places or new activities that offer exciting new opportunities. And you might have noticed it's one of the very few expressions in English where the adjective usually comes after the noun. You seek pastures new, not usually new pastures. It's often connected to work, so you might quit your job and move on to pastures new. Or maybe you're wondering what happened to someone you used to work with and a colleague informs you that actually they weren't sacked, they just wanted to move on to pastures new. Maybe you feel like you're stuck in a bit of a rut at work and you might tell your friends that if things don't improve in the next couple of weeks, you'll be off to pastures new. And maybe you've been living in one particular place for quite a few years and you feel like it's time for a change. So you might tell your friends, I've really loved living here, but I think it's time to find pastures new. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use pastures new.